All right, here we have a 60,000 pound shipboard trash compactor. This massive trash compactor was originally built for the Navy and it was installed aboard ships for compacting all their trash on board. So as you can see, it consists of the control cabinet slash hydraulic supply. So you have the motor down below with a two-stage pump, low volume, high pressure on the one side, and then high volume, low pressure on the other. And then two filters, the directional control valve, and some of the adjustments are up here with indicator lights like oil level, oil temperature, the pressure gauge, and then the contactors and control board are located in this box. The tank is oriented vertically back here, and it holds maybe 30 or 40 gallons. And then the compactor itself is constructed extremely heavy duty. This is all 1-inch plate, all welded together. The reinforcement there for the main compacting barrel. There is the hydraulic cylinder is located inside of the main compacting area, and then the door assembly is massive also. So you have the safety pin that you pull out, and then you swing this lever open, and then you open the door. And I think it's a 14-inch round compacting area. So that's where the slug would come out when you eject it. And then here are the controls. So it's just power on, manual mode or automatic, ready indicator light, chamber full, forward and reverse. So there's basically two modes. You can operate in a manual or automatic. So in manual, you just hold down the reverse and forward toggle switch and it moves the ram back and forth. Or in automatic mode, it will engage the ram, come forward until a preset hydraulic pressure is reached when it's crushing the trash, and it'll compact it a certain amount, and then it will retract all the way back, and then it'll shut off, and then you can flip the lid open, add more stuff, and as soon as you close the lid, it engages the lid close switch, and it will close again. So that's the hopper area, and then here's the ram, and then this ram will go all the way across this hopper area, and it goes all the way out to the end.
It's extending out.
Yeah, it extends out all the way through there.
It's extending out now.
So yes, it's extended out right now, so when you fully retract it, it'll be about here.